Hi everyone, today in this video we are going to discuss one new topic related to the coordinate system and specific related to the chapter reflection mentioned in the class 10. As you all know, in the previous two videos you have got the information that how we can find the reflection of a point in x-axis or y-axis. Today we are going to discuss a new topic, that is the skill number 3, how we can find the reflection of a point in a line which is parallel to either x-axis or y-axis. But in this video specific we are going to discuss the first skill, that is how we can find the location of a point in a line which is parallel to x-axis. That I have already noted the topic on the board. Let's start now. Students, when we are going to find the reflection of a point in a line which is parallel to x-axis, which concepts or which things we have to remember. Firstly, we have required a point whose coordinates, axis and ordinate we must know, and second, we must know the distance of that particular line which is parallel to x-axis. The distance of that line from the x-axis we must know. After that, we have to do one change. Like if you are going to find the reflection of any point in a line which is parallel to x-axis, then you have to do the change in coordinate. Which type of changes we have to do in the coordinate, that I have already mentioned here. As when we are going to find the image of that particular point in a line which is parallel to x-axis, we have to do this change. Absisa, you can write same. After that, in ordinate, firstly you will multiply the ordinate with -1 plus twice of the distance plus twice of the distance. Then you will get the image or reflection of this point in the parallel line which is parallel to x-axis. Let's start, students. Now we are going to demonstrate this concept practically with some examples. Firstly, I want to take one point A whose coordinates 2 and 4, and this point I have already drawn in the graphical system. And student, you are observing here I have drawn one line also named as L, and this line L is parallel to x-axis. This line L is parallel to x-axis. I have drawn this point A whose coordinates 2 and 4. Now I want to find the image or reflection of this point in this parallel line, which is 1, 2, 3 units away from the x-axis. What is the distance of this parallel line from x-axis? 1, 2, 3. 3 units away from the x-axis. So firstly, I want to locate and I want to adjust this point in the table form. What is the point we have? I have the point A whose coordinates 2 and 4. 2 and 4. What is the distance of this parallel line from the x-axis? 1, 2, 3 units. 3 units there. 3 unit is the distance of the parallel line from the x-axis. Now, to write the image of this point here, firstly we want to do the calculation rough form. I have to find the image of this point in a line which is parallel to x-axis. So firstly, I want to give the name of the image of this point in the parallel line which is parallel to x-axis as A dash. Now, which type of changes I have to do here? Absisa, I will write same. After that, I have to multiply coordinate with -1. It means -4 plus twice of the distance. It means 3 is here. Now I have to do the calculation here. Absisa, we have to write same. -4 plus 2 3 is 6. A dash, which is the image of the point A. Absisa says same. -4 plus 6, positive 2. So students, this point is the image of this point, means A dash is the image of A in line L which is parallel to x-axis. Now when you draw the image point in this graphical system, you will get the graphical system as here with the help of scale I am drawing the image of the point A in the line L, which is parallel to x-axis. What is the image is here? 2, 2. I hope you understood it. Now we are going to do the next part, but before studying the next part, when the line which is parallel to x-axis on the negative side of y-axis, I have to fill this table also according to that. This is point A, coordinates 2, 4. The distance of the parallel line L from the x-axis equal to 3 units, and what image we have got? A dash as 2, 2. Now we are going to take one more point here. The second point I want to take B, coordinates -4, -3. First I want to draw this point in a graphical system that I have already drawn here for you, so that we can save the time like that. This is point B, coordinates -4 and -3. But student, you are observing here I have drawn one more line M, which is parallel to x-axis. But what is the difference? This line M, which is parallel to x-axis, on the negative side of y-axis. When the parallel line on the negative side of y-axis, you have to take the distance in the negative form. This thing you have to remember. You must have remembered this thing. I have drawn this point already in the graphical system. Now I want to do the calculation in rough form so that I am able to find the image of this point B. First I want to give the name of the image of point B as B dash. Now which type of changes I have to do here? Abscissa I have to write same. I have to multiply the coordinate with -1, as you may use the curly bracket also. I have to multiply the coordinate with -1 plus twice of the distance. But what is the distance here of this line M from the x-axis? 1, 2. But in the negative side, that's why we can write -2 is here. Now I have to do the calculation. Abscissa I have to write same. Minus minus plus is here. Plus minus, minus 2 2s are 4. Now finally, which type of coordinates we got? Abscissa same, -4 plus 3 -4 -1. Student, this point B dash is the image of point this B whose coordinates -4, 3 in the line M, which is parallel to x-axis and on the negative side of y-axis. So firstly I have to draw and I have to adjust these points in the table form like as which point we have? I have a point B whose coordinates are -4 and -3. What is the distance of this line M, which is parallel to x-axis and specific from the negative side of y-axis? What is the distance? 1, 2. But due to the negative direction of y-axis, we have to write here -2 units. But according to the calculation, what type of image we have got? The image of point B as B dash, and coordinates according to the specific vertical pattern we have got -4 and -1. I have filled the table, but now I am going to draw this image point in the graphical system here as. So I have already taken this point B whose coordinates also I have mentioned here -4 and -3, and its image in the line M, which is parallel to x-axis, I have got -4 -1, means this one. I hope all students you are getting what I want to teach you. So students, here this one I am marking B dash, whose coordinates we have got -4, -1. I hope all the students you have got the full knowledge about this particular topic, that how we can find the reflection of a particular point in a line which is parallel to x-axis. In the coming and next video, you will get the knowledge how we can find the reflection of a point in a line which is parallel to y-axis. Thanks. Have a nice day.